Hello everyone, this is Nilesh from Steven QA team, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how the Catalan tool runs the test cases using automated scripts. As you can see, we have 3 test cases related to the employee module. In first test case, tool is going to sign up to the Steven application and create one employee, and then validate the information of employee provided at the time of employee creation. In second test case, tool is going to modify employee information and validate the changes. And in third test case, tool is going to activate and deactivate an employee and verify the status of the employee is correctly reflecting or not. There is an option here to run these test cases, and we also can select the browser that we want these test cases to be executed. So for now, I'm going to select Firefox browser. So once we clicked on this, the test case will start executing without any human intervention. So now the first test case is getting executed. And as per the test case, tool is going to sign up to the Steven application and create one employee and then validate the information that is being provided at the time of employee creation. So here the employee got created. Now it will go to the employee list page, perform search for that employee, and on info page it will validate the information like email and first name, last name. Now there is another option to create an employee. It's from Quick Add, and in this step it is creating an employee from that Quick Add option and again validating the details. Okay, so the first case is over. Now tool will close the browser and start fresh session for the next test case. So in second test case, tool is going to sign into the application and then perform search for any employee and modify the information of an employee and then verify the information that is being modified is correctly reflecting or not. So we have added Mr. before the that is prefix before the name of an employee and verified that if it is getting correctly reflecting or not. The second test case is completed. Now in third test case, tool is going to activate and deactivate an employee and verify the statuses are getting correctly updated or not. So in first step, The employee was deactivated, and now tool is going to activate employee again and verify the status of the button. Yeah. So third test case is also completed, and this green indicator shows all test cases are passed. And now tool is uploading all the test results to the Catalan Test-Top. So in Test-Top dashboard, we can see detailed test results, like how many test cases were executed and how many of them passed and how many of them failed, etc. Yeah, so that's it in this demo. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.